Now here I have to take the printout, and before taking the printout I need to fit this isometric view problem on this sheet. Now here I already have three views: sectional front view, right hand side view, and top view. So when I press M enter and move this object, here you can see the object will not fit in the given space. So I'll press escape. So I need to scale the object. Now the scale could be 1:2, means the object will be reduced in half. The scale could be 2:1, means the object size will be doubled. Now here I'll try different scale first. Before going to 0.5, I'll use 0.75 scaling factor. So type SC, enter, select object. So left click over here, you will get a green box. Select the object, again left click. Now the object is selected, press enter. Now specify a base point, you can select any point. So specify a base point, and now you have to specify the scale factor. Now the scale factor which I am going to use is 0.75. So 0.75, enter. Now I'll check whether this fits over here. Now suppose ortho mode is on. If I move this, select this, M, enter. If I move it, I won't be able to adjust it, so I need to turn off ortho mode. Now here you can see the isometric view is fitting inside the sheet, so I'll place it over here. Now since I have scaled this, I need to specify over here that I have used the scale. So select the text layer, multi-line text, create a box. Now before typing in, I'll change the text height to 5. So 5, enter. Now I'll type here scale, SCALE, turn on the caps lock, scale. Now this scale is 0.75. So what I'll do is I have reduced. So the scale factor is 0.75. So what will be the scale? 1 divided by 0.75, which is 1.33. So scale I will write 1:1.33. Escape. Now when the scale factor is in decimal, like 1 divided by 1.33, 1 divided by 1.33, if you do, you will get 0.75. So basically we have reduced the size, and in this way you can fit the problems in the given sheet. Thank you.